it's about time that I update this tier list. Hey guys, Pro here, and welcome to my updated BFB tier list. First up, the final 14. Then we're gonna do Tpot, then we're gonna do both. Alright, so let's begin with Loser. Now, where would I put Loser? I say Loser gets A tier. He's a great contestant. Lollipop gets S tier, one of the best contestants. Bubble gets S tier, one of the best contestants. Flower gets S tier, definitely improved herself. Teardrop also gets S tier. I like a lot of these characters. Fiery has definitely improved himself and gets himself an easy A tier. Taco is forever going to be one of my favorites. Gets an immediate top of S tier with Lollipop and Teardrop. Spongy did not fully redeem himself. He gets C tier. Leafy is awesome. Gets not F tier. S tier immediately. Gelatin gets A tier. Not the greatest contestant, but definitely a good contestant nonetheless. Blocky gets B tier. Not the greatest contestant, but I'm happy Blocky's Funny Doings International is back. Balloony gets A tier. Not the greatest contestant. Woody gets S tier. Not a bad contestant by any means. Ruby gets S tier. And gets literally the top of S tier, because I love Ruby. Now, let's move on to Tpot. See if it appears. Here it is. Then afterwards, we'll do 4 next. Alright, Barf Bag. Barf Bag gets S tier. I'm sorry, Basketball. You can't redeem yourself. Bella's okay. Black Hole is just incredibly charming. Bommy is amazing. Book didn't fully redeem herself. Bottle, I'd say, is always going to be one of my favorites. Cake is okay. Clock is the absolute greatest contestant. Cloudy is okay. Coiny is my favorite. Well, not my favorite. My favorite's really Clock. Donut gets A tier. Eggy gets A tier. Eggy gets S tier. Kind of close to, like, I'd say in between Barf Bag and Black Hole. Racer gets B tier. Not as good as Pen. Fanny, I would say, gets S tier. Fanny is one of the best contestants. Bully gets B tier. Fries gets C tier. Fries is actually the most forgettable contestant, if you ask me. Gady, I would say... Yeah, Gady gets S tier. Not the top of S tier, just S tier. But very close to the top, because I like Gady. Golf Ball gets S tier. I'm sorry, no one likes you. Too many repeated lines. Not the greatest contestant. Really just annoying. Incredibly cute. Good friend with Coiny. He's cool. Who hates pie? No one. S tier. You have not redeemed yourself. You have very much redeemed yourself, and there's nothing that you could even redeem. You're already great, Pin. You're middle. You're annoying. You're cool. You're cute. You're a good friend to basically everyone on your team. You're infuriating. You're awesome, but your design here doesn't work. I love Tree. Sorry, you've changed your voice way too many times. You're meh. You're the worst. Yeah, sorry too, fam. I do not support this character whatsoever. There's nothing good about 2. So anyways, this is my updated Tpot and BFB tier list. Which do I prefer? Currently, BFB. But Clock, Rocky, and some of my other favorite contestants are on Tpot. Goodbye.